Hi, I'm Jason with GearPro, and today we're going to talk about adjusting the head feed chains on a DM250. The first thing we're going to do is take this chain wear guide and we're going to measure the wear on the chain. To do this, we'll take a measurement on the link from pin to pin and center to center. That will tell us what we have for chain. We have a 1 pitch, so we need to measure over 16 pins. We'll take their measurement, then count 16 pins and make a mark on the chain. Put our guide on and that will tell us our wear on our chain. So currently this chain is reading 0% wear. Once we tighten the chain up to spec, that measurement will change a little bit. So it needs to be measured with a little bit of tension on it. This is where you adjust the tension. You need to break this jam nut loose right here. Now we need to pull it back. Back that out of the way and then tighten this one. When we tighten this, pull up to take the slack out of the chain. So we're going to tighten the slack out here to tension the chain up. We're going to tighten the bottom and the top pretty evenly. This process takes a few minutes. Once your chain is tight enough where there is no part of it laying on the mast and it's fully elevated, then all we got to do is tighten that jam nut back up. Once the jam nuts are tight, top and bottom, your chain adjustment is complete.